Hearty greetings to all my dear students. Today you are going to listen the video on Unit 2 Prose, I Can't Climb Trees Anymore. I Can't Climb Trees Anymore is a story written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an award-winning Indian author. He received Sahitya Akademi Award in the year 1999 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. He received Padma Bhushan in 2014. As a prolific writer, he has written over 500 short stories, essays and novels. He received Padma Shri in the year 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. His popular novel The Blue Umbrella was made into a Hindi film and was awarded the National Film Award for the Best Children's Film in 2007. With this short introduction, let me get into the story. I Can't Climb Trees Anymore is a story which expresses the man's childhood days in shaping the character of a person. It deals with the visual memories of the joyful days in the life of a man and his present friendship with a little girl, enabling him to refresh those memories. The visitor stood on the grass verge by the side of the road and looked over the garden wall at the old house. The house had not changed. It was the house he lived in the past. It was built with granite walls. The house had a new outhouse with fewer trees. The jackfruit tree was still there, giving shade. He remembered his grandmother saying. His grandmother felt the shade was a blessing from the trees. As a boy, he used to swing on the turnstile, going round and round until he was quite dizzy. Now it's gone. The tall hollyhocks grew on the other side of the wall. The girl stood between the red hollyhocks, staring at the man. She was 12 or 13 years old. She was slim, with white, lovely eyes and black, long hair. The girl asked the man whether he wanted to buy the house. The girl said it was her father's house and that he was a colonel. She said that her mother says he should have become a brigadier. They stood on either side of the wall, appraising each other. The man said that he looked at the house because he lived there and they sold the house after his grandma's death. She asked whether he would like to buy the house. Later, she realized that he didn't have the money. He said that he only wanted to see the house. The girl lived there for 3 years. She called him in so he can see the house better and said that her parents wouldn't mind because he is middle-aged. He climbed on the wall, got up on the wall and rested, breathing heavily. He muttered that he is a flying trapeze. She gave him her hand. He slipped slipped down in a flower bed and broke the stem of a hollyhock. Then he spotted a stone bench under a mango tree. It was the bench where his grandmother sat after trimming rose bushes and bougainvillea. He wanted to sit outside. She sat on the bench with him. The visitor closed his eyes and they were silent for some time. The old man remembered his past times. The music of a piano, the chiming of a grandfather clock, the constant twitter of budgerigars on the veranda, his grandfather cranking up the old car. He just closed his eyes and recollected all his past memories. He said he used to climb on the jackfruit tree. It was his favorite place. Students, the visitor wanted to recollect his past memories, so he visited his house. What else he conversed with the girl? For what purpose he visited the house? Let me listen in the next video. Now let us see the vocabularies from the lesson. Brigadier, a rank of officer in the British Army above the colonel. Trapeze, a horizontal bar hanging by two ropes and free to swing, used by acrobats in a circus. Colonel, a rank of officer in the army. Turnstile, a mechanical gauge consists of revolving horizontal arms filed in a vertical post, allowing only one person at a time to pass through. Hollyhocks, a tall Eurasian plant of the mallow family with large showy flowers. Appraising, assess, evaluate, estimate. Prosperous, flourishing, successful. Sprightliness, liveliness, spirit, life. Muttered, to utter words in a low tone. Bougainvillea, an ornamental shrubby climbing plant that is widely cultivated in tropics. Students, hope you would understand the story. The remaining part of the story will be explained in the next video. Thank you, students.